Rebekah Vardy and her 5 children are reportedly preparing to evacuate from their luxury Portugal villa amid the terrifying bushfires in the country. The 40-year-old wag jetted to Portugal following Rebekah's libel trial against Colleen Rooney as both sides await a verdict. However, her family holiday is at risk of disruption as wildfires continue to rip through Portugal, as well as a number of other countries across Europe. According to The Sun, a terrified Rebekah could see smoke everywhere as the bushfires raged in a neighboring golf course nearby the family's sprawling villa. Rebekah is said to have packed her bags and she and her 5 children prepare to leave the £8 million pad. Last night, a source said of the Vardys, "It's been horrifying. Their neighbors have all been evacuated and one by one residents are being told to leave their homes. Becky can see smoke everywhere and she's terrified about the kids breathing it in. The water is also down, so she's relying on bottled water, which, obviously, there is only a finite amount of at home." Meanwhile, Rebekah's Leicester City striker husband Jamie, 35, has been concerned for his wife and children. Rebekah shares children Sophia, age 6, Finley, 4, and baby Olivia, 1, with Jamie. She is also a mum to Megan, 17, and Taylor, 11, from previous relationships, while Jamie is also dad to Ella, 11. The insider said, "Jamie and their friends and family back home have all been really worried. Things are developing by the hour, but she's praying the fire brigades, who have been brilliant, can get things back under control." Rebekah shared a post on her Instagram story to share her gratitude at emergency workers' tireless efforts to put out the blazes. She wrote in Portuguese on her Instagram story, "Waking up very grateful that they work tirelessly, risking their lives to save ours. Thanks. Thought of everyone. Very scary." Later, she shared a video of a helicopter flying above her and added, "These guys are incredible." Fires can be seen burning away from the balcony of Rebekah's villa. Portugal has been badly hit by wildfires as temperatures hit 46°C in places around Europe. Rebekah has been sharing snaps from her trip with her kids, including a snap of them all together in a golf buggy. As she posted the photo, Becky wrote, "The group were having fun in the sun" in the caption. Jamie is currently back in the UK for pre-season training with his team Leicester City. Get all the latest celebrity news delivered straight to your inbox, from secret feuds and sexy scandals to the biggest showbiz headlines. We're serving up a daily dose of gossip. Get the inside scoop on all your favorite celebs with our daily newsletter delivered straight to your inbox for free. You can sign up here. Rebekah's trip comes as she awaits the verdict in the Agatha Christie trial. She is suing Colleen, 36, for libel after Wayne Rooney's wife accused Rebekah's Instagram account of leaking private stories about her in an explosive statement in October 2019. After a 7-day-long hearing, the blockbuster court case ended on the 19th May, and the wags now face a way to find out who has won their Agatha Christie trial. And, 2 months on from the trial which caught the attention of the UK, both sides are still waiting for Mrs. Justice Stein to hand down her decision.